Hello, my name is Craig Graves. I'm a criminal defense attorney here in Brazos County, Texas. Been practicing law here for over 15 years. I don't do wills, I don't do divorces, I just do criminal defense work. I have been asked on many occasions, and you probably find yourself possibly in a situation where you're looking for a criminal defense lawyer. How do I find somebody to be the best to represent me? Well, in my opinion, there's two things you look for when you're trying to find that right lawyer for you. Number one, what is their relationship with the local prosecutors and judges? Well, like I said, I basically grew up here all my life. I'm a graduate of A&M, grew up down the road in Robertson County, and I've dealt with these prosecutors and these judges for, like I said, 15, 16 years now. In fact, when I started out working for one of the local district judges back when he was in private practice as a criminal defense attorney. So I have a good working relationship with them. I'm someone that they trust. When I say something to them, they believe it, and that has a lot of importance when it comes to dealing with your case, because in all honesty, a lot of these cases you just can't get out of. I mean, we work our hardest to get them dismissed, but there's some of them just can't get you off, and that's when it comes into play about the good relationship is being able to get talk to these prosecutors or potentially a judge if you have some kind of bench trial, and try to get you the best we can. Um, you know, be it lowering the fines, lowering the length of probation, try to keep you from being convicted, so forth. The second thing that I think probably is most important is what is that lawyer you're looking at to potentially hire? What is their track record about going to trial? There's basically, in my opinion, two kinds of lawyers. There's what you call a rollover lawyer, that he's not going to go to trial. He's not going to stand up there in front of a jury and defend his client's rights. I don't know why, but for some reason, some lawyers are scared to go to trial. And you think about that. If a prosecutor is going to make an offer to a lawyer that either A is known as a rollover lawyer, that prosecutor knows is no threat, that if I give him a bad offer, I'm not going to have to end up in trial with him for 3 or 4 days fighting this case out, versus a lawyer like myself that will go to trial. I can guarantee you I try more jury trial cases than anybody in Brazos County. And I do that for two reasons: uh, to win, number one, and number two, for the prosecutors to know that if they don't make me a good offer for my client, that I will go in there and go to trial. And so when that prosecutor's thinking about that offer he's going to give, he's going to factor in, you know, this is Craig Graves that represents his client. And if I don't give him something that he can bite on, something that's good for his client, then we're going to end up being in trial for 3 or 4 days. And, just the common sense of it, they're going to give me a better deal. And it's because I fight. And I will fight for you. And I'll be happy to sit down and talk with you about your case anytime. My phone lines are answered 24/7. And please call and set up a free consultation. We can talk about it and see what I can do for you. Thank you.